Today, we are delighted to have Ms. Roshni, who is a Senior Director at NetEnrich with us. So she's having a lot of experience in HR, leadership development, and she's also working as a visiting professor to many universities. So ma'am, as you're having a lot of experience in teaching and training many professionals, so how do you feel young professionals like us will face work-life balance issues in near future?
First of all, I believe that the work-life balance compared to traditional times has certainly got better, right?
Yes.
We have moved from only work from office mode to I am willing to work from office is becoming a benefit on my resume, right? For some companies, it's an office-first culture. For some organizations, it's a remote-first culture. So I think it is also the focus of the organization that you'll have to integrate what your preference is with. Because if you prefer and you know that your strength would come out best in a work from office mode, then you joining a remote first make you feel a little isolated, pull back away from your learnings and all of that. So every mode of working has its own advantage also.
Right.
So it's for you to capitalize which one you feel suits best to you.
Right, ma'am. And just adding on to this, so are there any disparities or differences you observe between a work-life balance between a woman and a man?
No, not really, but I think it is basis the situation of an individual that the preference would come out.
Yes.
Traditionally, the society has put the burden on women to take the primary responsibility of a caregiver, but also I see times are changing. Men also feel equally responsible to participate in their caregiving responsibilities at home, take care of their aged parents.
Yes.
Or newborn young babies and all of that. The same burden is on the men to ensure that they are the breadwinners at
Yes.
home, right? It's not an option for them. So we have to recognize that there is certain burdens that are different, but like I said, the needle is moving, and both the genders are realizing that they can support each other in tough times. So yes, there are shared responsibilities.
Yes.
And that's what people are moving towards.